Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. Plus you have started your studies. Welcome to today's online session. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter of your English reader, the 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is Fair Play. But before that I would like to request you to please jot down, for jotting down the important points, come and sit with a copy and a pen, and do like and subscribe this channel to receive more and more exciting news and informations and data. So let's start our studies. Students, as the name is Fair Play, I have been always telling you that the name of the chapter has a hidden meaning. The whole chapter revolves around the meaning, around the heading of the chapter. Fair play. So this suggests that there are some situations in life where we have to play very carefully, or we have to play with our words, we have to play with our decisions very carefully. So let's get started. There are three basic characters in this chapter: Jumman, Algu and Aunt. Jumman and Algu are best friends, dear students. Jumman and Algu are best friends, and Jumman is having a family, he is having a wife and an aunt. Aunt is having a big property, and there was a deal or contract between Aunt and Jumman that Aunt will give all the property to Jumman. In return of that, Jumman will take care of Aunt's welfare for whole life, and they live together for whole life. But slowly, when the days passed, Aunt perceived that Jumman's wife is not behaving good towards Aunt, and so Aunt decided that she wants a separate kitchen, because she believes that the more they'll face each other, the more the situation will become worse. So Aunt talked to Jumman and said, I want a separate kitchen. But Jumman directly refused. He said that, why? My wife knows best how to run the home in a minimum budget. So Aunt was very disturbed and she was sad. She decided to take her case to the panchayat. Yes, students, at villages there are still panchayats working on. So she decided to take her case to the panchayat. But before going to the panchayat, fortunately she met Algu. Algu is Jumman's best friend. She told all her sad situations and story to Algu, but Algu said that, Auntie, why are you discussing this to me? You know, Jumman is my best friend and I won't be able to speak a single word of utterance in refusal or in against of him. But Aunt insisted that, is it fair to deal with me, the mother-aged woman, like this? So the day came for the panchayat, and Algu was there, Jumman was there, Aunt was there, and Sarpanch was there. And luckily Algu was decided as a member of the panchayat that day. So Jumman was very happy that I have my best friend as a Sarpanch of the panchayat, and he'll not go or give the decision in against of me. So but when the time for decision came, Jumman was shocked, because Algu said that Aunt is correct. If she feels that she is not comfortable, unable to have her food with Jumman's wife, she has the right to have a separate kitchen, or Jumman shall return whole property to Aunt. So Jumman was shocked that his friend spoke against of him in front of the whole village or in front of the whole panchayat. So he was shocked, and their friendship turned into rivalry, and they were acting like enemies. Both were very sad, although. So days passed on, and one day Algu he was dealing with some issues with his bullocks. One pair of bullocks were dead, and the other pair of bullocks he decided to sell it to the cart driver, and the name of the cart driver was Sahu. Yes. So, and unfortunately the other pair that he sold for Sahu, that pair also was dead, and Sahu and Algu had a contract that Sahu will pay the money in 1 month. So when the bullocks were dead, Sahu refused, that I will not pay you the money. Why should I pay you the money? Because you gave me the bullocks that were already sick. So now Algu was in a bad condition. He wanted the decision of panchayat and interference of panchayat. So he decided to take his case to the panchayat, and unfortunately Jumman was selected today as the Sarpanch, or as a member of the panchayat. So we say whatever we sow, we reap. So it is a cycle. The universe is always like you must have understood, it's a cycle. What we give comes back to us. So that day Algu was very shocked, and his heart started sinking. He was very pale that Jumman will take the revenge of me. He will never speak for me, rather he'll go against me. But asked the situations from Sahu also and Algu also. He listened to them very carefully and peacefully. When Juman stood up, Algu was shocked because Juman said that Algu was like very happy, or we cannot say happy, he was like neutral, that he doesn't know what will happen. So Juman stood up and he announced that Sahu should pay the debt to, or should pay the money to Juman, to Algu, because he deserves that. Sahu should pay the money to Algu because when he bought the bullocks from Algu, the bullocks were in a very good condition. So Algu deserves to receive the money. And Algu was shocked and he was happy. They both hugged each other, embraced, and they both cried. And again, they were very good friends. So Algu and Juman, both of them realized that when we are supposed to be in a higher position as the position of the senior management or authority, it is very tough to take decisions that goes against for neither party A or and neither party B. You have to be very full of justice. So they became friends and the story is over, students. I hope you all have enjoyed the story. So what is the moral? The moral of the story is that before judging someone for his decisions or steps or words, we should keep ourselves on him or her place. Then we will realize that what is the reason that he took that decision. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed. There are some sets of assignments for you all. Read the chapter very carefully. The chapter is a little bit longer, yes. It's 4 or 5 pages. And try to write the summary in your own words. Try to limit your summaries in not more than 1.5 pages. Then try to solve the exercises also, and do discuss it with your parents, because this story is really very moral giving, and discuss it with your friends and siblings. I hope you have learned the moral. Dear students, enjoy. Bye. Take care.